Nagele, abona, nagele. Aye. Oh, abuga zura, aukarele gakona, asibe zona kona, abuga zura, sebezela kona, asibe.
Say hi to my mommy. How do you feel being a passenger princess? Mama? How do you feel being a passenger princess?
Very proud.
I know, you must be proud. I know, you must be proud. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Today is Maggie's birthday. Maggie turned 1 year today. My first baby. She's 1 year today. And yeah, she's going for service today. She's going for service and I don't really have much planned today, but I have something that I need to do later on, which is gonna require me to actually Uber to go there. So yeah, let me just take my car to service and see what's up, because I really feel like I'm late. I feel like I'm late and stuff. So here guys. It turns out that I was early. I don't understand how am I early, because the booking reference, no, the booking confirmation said 7 a.m. only to get here and they're telling me that they only open at 8 o'clock on the dot. So now it's like 9:54. So I'm just gonna chill in the car and then probably gonna go back home, pick up my brother, pick him up with what now? Probably gonna go fetch my brother, and then we're gonna take a taxi to the side. Ghetto. I remember the last time I took a taxi. Yo, Uber, taxi's lost a customer. Uber lost a customer. Anyways, what was I saying, guys? I was saying I have to go fetch my brother and then we're gonna take a taxi. I even forgot like how to point. I'm not sure from my area to this side. What do I point? It's probably 1 or 2. No, it can't be 2. It's 1. No, 1 is down. I know 1 is down. It's 2. It's, yeah, I'm gonna get it right. It's going to be 2. And then yeah, we're gonna come here because I need to check a few things at Park Meadows, and then I need to go to Campton Park. After Campton Park, I was gonna go do my hair, but I need to do my washing. I need to do a washing now. I have a lot of things to do actually. And I don't have a car. I would have completed all these things if I had a car. And my car's going. So yeah. Just came back from service. That's what they used. I don't know why they left it in the car. I think it was not meant to be here actually. But yeah, she is done.